All right, my darlings, finally the ribs are finished. They've come off the grill where they've cooked slowly and methodically in an indirect low heat for an hour and a half. And here they are, and don't they look beautiful? I mean, you have to admit, that looks pretty flipping professional. But the only way to finish it off, and you don't have to imbibe in this, but I personally prefer to, is with a vinegar mop sauce. A vinegar mop sauce is 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 a cup of ketchup. I know, kind of pedestrian for all of you out there, but hey, what can I say? They even use it in sweet and sour, so go for it. Now, you don't have to do a whole tablespoon of hot sauce. It might be a little hot for you, so I'm just gonna freestyle it because I'm sort of a freestyling kind of gal, if you haven't gathered that by now. I'm guessing that was just under 3/4 of a tablespoon. So we'll do a liberal amount of pepper. And this is guaranteed to be that like old-fashioned vinegar mop sauce that you had like when you were a kid or when you traveled back to the South and you had that one time and you never could get again. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm salivating right now just thinking about it. All right, so let's taste it. And then we're really gonna put it to the rogues gallery. We're gonna put it to my family who's here to taste it because we're gonna have the ribs and the sauce and we're gonna let them tell us what they think. And trust me, they don't love me enough to lie to you. Oh, that's good. Woo! All right, and I'm washing it for you. You know who you are on the YouTube. Let's do it.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in it.
Yeah, you can have it however you want it. Well. Give the boy a chance.
Yeah, there you go.
The sauce is perfect.
You like that?
Sauce is perfect.
Oh no.
This is super delicious. It combines savory and sweet. It's not too wet. It's not too dry. I have to say, this is the flippin' bomb dimity. Call me Wilma, but I love it.